Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the essential connections. Plug the SM7B into a quality XLR cable, then into a preamp or audio interface that can deliver plenty of clean gain. Use an inline cloud lifter or FET head if your interface struggles to reach 60 dB without noise. This raises signal without adding hiss. Once done, set the input to mic level and disable phantom power. SM7B is dynamic and doesn't require 48V. Make sure the mic mount is secure so positioning stays consistent. Now fine-tune gain staging and positioning to capture a full, controlled voice. Position the capsule 2 to 6 inches from your mouth and angle, slightly off-axis to tame plosives and proximity bass. Slowly raise preamp gain until loudest sections peak between -12 and -6 dB in your DAW. This preserves headroom. Once set, engage a gentle low cut at around 80 Hz if room rumble appears, add a pop filter if needed, and monitor with closed-back headphones to confirm tone and levels. Begin with a short test take and listen critically. Check for sibilance, plosives, or clipping. If the performance is clean, proceed. If not, adjust distance or angle and retest. For basic processing, use light compression at 2 to 4 to 1 and gentle EQ. Cut around 80 Hz for low-end tightness and add a small presence boost between 3 and 6 kHz for clarity. If you encounter noise, lower preamp gain, add an inline booster, or improve room treatment. Those steps usually resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.